the vast majority of retail traders in the market are not actually trading, they are gambling. And I'm about to break down why. Okay. When you go to trade in the markets, if you do not have a set amount of rules, a set amount of risk, and you don't have a proven system that you are executing day in and day out and not over leveraging, not taking trades that you shouldn't trade, not trading at times or zones you shouldn't trade at, you are gambling in the market. And you might make some money, but if you do not have a solid system, you are not going to continuously pull profits out of the market. You will never become a successful trader because you will get burnt out, frustrated, and you will end up quitting eventually. Instead of being a random trader, what you need to do is you need to create a system that is repeatable, which means you need a defined set of rules that you follow day in and day out, and you do not break them for anything. If you can do this and create a solid set of rules for both the way you enter and exit trades, the way you add, where you get in, where you get out, as well as your daily habits outside of the charts, like what you do every single day, what you eat, do you work out, what's your sleep patterns, are you drinking alcohol, like all these kind of things, they all play into, as well as mindset, when we can't forget mindset. All these things play into your outcome on the chart, okay? See, people think rules are confining and they just want to be able to scalp the markets and just click a button and make money and think that they get really good at it. But the problem is that rules do not create confines for you. They don't create a prison for you. What they actually do is rules create freedom, okay? Rules give you a set of framework so that way you can pull profits out of the market. Because remember, trading is not supposed to be exciting. It's not supposed to be all these highs and lows, all these emotional ups and downs, big wins and big losses. It is supposed to be boring, steady gains. The fun comes in when you can take your family on vacation, not have to worry about money, get to eat foods people don't get to eat, see places people don't get to see, listen to music, and see all these things that people don't get to experience on a regular basis because you had a disciplined set of rules that you stuck to. And maybe you find that boring, but that is what creates results in trading. So you got to get away from all the excitement, all the randomness, and the lack of rules that you have for yourself. You must create clearly defined rules that work in the market. They must be a working edge. And finally, this brings me to the main point. Like, the purpose of a trading system, again, is so that way you can experience the life that everybody wants to experience but doesn't get to. You need to have a proven trading system that you've back tested, that you know the data on. The problem is that most people are led by decisions based around fear and greed. But when you dial in a trading system and you have a long-standing, basically, basket of data, okay, you have a pool of data, you can get rid of the fear effect in your trading, and you can function from a place where you systematically pull profits out of the market every single week. And it all comes down to having a good trading system, which is what we teach here at Pathfinder Trading. We don't gamble. We have a proven system, proven indicator that we stick to. We have time frames, times we don't trade, set amounts of what we're risking every trade, what we're looking to make. We have a defined system for how we trade every single day, and we stick to it. And because we stick to it and we have a good system, we pull profits out of the market constantly. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.